Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix motion not available on iPhone in iOS 17 update. So guys, if you are trying to set up a wallpaper for your lock screen on your iPhone in iOS 17 and you are trying to apply a live wallpaper and it is not working on the lock screen and the problem is there, motion not available. Here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you get a live wallpaper on your lock screen. So guys, here I will show you how can you do this. So as if you are trying to apply a wallpaper which is live working from your gallery, it will not work on your iPhone lock screen in live mode. So as if you want to set up a live wallpaper, you will have to take your own live wallpaper from the camera of your iPhone. So as for that, simply open your camera in your iPhone and from here turn on live mode from here. So here is the option to turn on. Simply turn it on, and after this you have to simply click a wallpaper from here. So I click the wallpaper and after this open the wallpaper. So as if you tap and hold on the wallpaper, it will be moving like this. Here you can see this. So guys, from here you have to simply tap on this arrow button from here, and from here scroll it below and tap on use as wallpaper. So guys, here you can see this. Wait for some seconds and from here you can zoom in or zoom out. You can easily do this, and after this you will find a live option in the corner from here. So I'll wait for some seconds. So guys, from here you have to simply turn it on to set as live wallpaper from here. So I turn it on and here you can see this. The wallpaper is working as live wallpaper in the lock screen. So guys, in this way you can easily put a live wallpaper on your iPhone screen when you take a picture from the camera. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.